everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter for you. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter for you, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click force stop. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end all this and when you will know how to fix or how to solve Twitter for you, you should just go to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.